It's time to use a breakthrough technology known as the LRC. We are about to have an active couple of months ahead. Here's a look at the severe weather outlook for the Kansas City region.
Lightning, hail, tornadoes, and warmer weather. As the temperature rises and the humidity increases, thunderstorms will become more likely and the risks for severe weather will increase. And we have the technology to know when the most dangerous storm systems will target our area, which we will explain. But first, Tornado Alley has been rather quiet since May 28, 2019.
We do have debris on the radar now, confirmed.
When this EF4 tornado destroyed parts of Linwood, Kansas. This monster tornado was heading right toward Kansas City, and fortunately it weakened and lifted. Since that day, nearly 3 years ago, parts of the Kansas City metro area have been in a record-long tornado watch drought. Unfortunately, there are strong signals that we will have a few big severe weather risks near Kansas City in the coming weeks. We know this because of the LRC. A unique weather pattern sets up each fall, and this year's pattern is close to 64 days long. Yes, the pattern is cycling regularly and repeating it close to every 9 weeks. The LRC allows our weather team to know when and where the major storm systems will strike. The LRC helped our team bring you the most accurate predictions of the winter storms that produced close to 20 inches of snow in the KC metro area this winter. For the second year in a row, we predicted accurately how much snow would fall during the winter season. Last year, we were exactly right in predicting 15.5 inches of snow, and this year we were quite close once again as our weather team's snow prediction of 19.2 inches fell only 1/2 inch off the mark. 19.7 inches fell. We apply the same weather forecasting technique to predict the biggest weather disasters during severe weather season and then hurricane season. And what has happened already is of extreme importance. Tornado disasters have already been devastating in this year's LRC. Parts of Mayfield, Kentucky were destroyed on December 10th, just a few months ago. 56 people were killed as this long-track tornado was on the ground for 165 miles. Then on March 5th, a strong tornado ripped across Iowa, part of a tornado outbreak that just barely missed Kansas City. The deadly tornado was just southwest of Des Moines, killing 7 people.
These tornado outbreaks were caused by this year's LRC. In October, when it moved through, that produced a significant severe weather outbreak. The pattern returned in December, almost the same pattern, and it produced 2 major severe weather outbreaks. One, the Mayfield, Kentucky day. Every one of those red triangles is a tornado report. And 5 days later, a major severe weather outbreak, including high winds in Kansas City. We know when this pattern is going to return.
Kansas City will likely be close to 1 or 2 of these larger severe weather outbreaks. The part of the pattern that produced the Mayfield, Kentucky tornado is due between April 15th and 24th, or likely close to the 19th or 20th of April. And the Iowa tornado disaster part of the pattern will cycle back through close to May 8th, give or take a couple days. These will likely be 2 of the biggest severe weather setups of the season, but there are others we are identifying. The first half of May looks wet and stormy, and then the recent storm we just had in the first week of spring is due to cycle back through around Memorial Day. We are forecasting near average rainfall and above average temperatures this spring. Severe weather season will wind down as summer approaches in June.